Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Mike Barker, and today, well, it's Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas. But tomorrow, Christmas Day, we're supposed to be getting a big snowstorm here, or at least some kind of messy weather. Regardless, I've got to go and get my garage put into wintertime mode. What does this involve? Well, a number of things. So first off, I have a new project staying with me. This is Jay, aka the Ghetto Garage. This is his CB550 Cafe Racer project, and we had to move to our new location here at my place because the actual Ghetto Garage far too cold to work in. But that's cool though, because this is a really interesting project, and I'm really pumped that Jay's going to be hanging out here a bunch, drinking beers, turning wrenches. What else do we have to do though? Well, the A86 here, this has to go up onto a set of rolling ramps. I'm not exactly sure what you call them. You'll see them in a second though, so that this can actually be pushed into the wall so I have more space. Because what happens in this garage is I will be able to fit the snowblower, the CB750K, the old school Toyota Corolla, Jay's bike, 2008 Honda Civic, and 2013 RAV4 all into this garage. To say the least, there's a bit of space. The wide angle on the camera definitely helps, right? This is a 24 by 32 garage with a 10-foot ceiling. Everything will be able to fit in here, I hope. These are what I was talking about. I guess they're 2,500 pound vehicle dolly. I've got 4 of them. I'll put my A86 up on a set of these. I'm just gonna go, oh, what's this list for? Oh, look at that. Here's a list of upcoming CB750 projects you might see a video of. Cool. Car's too damn low. That's not gonna work. You know your old school Japanese car is solid when you can actually jack up on the pinch welds? Well, the old jack points on the side of the car. Most of them, this would just start to crush and crunch and get nasty. Okay, so the next thing that has to happen is I have to get that car pushed up against that wall. It's a little bit of work to do first though. Everything here has to move. Mr. CB750K has to come out and go over with Jay's CB550 project. My fantastic, super love it Arian's snowblower is gonna go over there temporarily until the car is pushed back to the wall. Now, you may notice I've got this big set of shelving here. These are items that I'm not really concerned about blocking off access to because a lot of it's seasonal items anyway. So when I get the car pushed over here, yeah, I won't be able to get to some of this, but I can move the car back easy enough if I need anything. First things first though. This is my spare tire that I sit old motors and things on when I have to go pick them up in my dad's pickup truck or father-in-law's pickup truck. Oh, it needs to go up there with those other junk tires. Ah, perfect. Crafty ladder storage, eh? Gotta move Jay's bike first. This thing is turning out to be such a sexy piece of machinery. Perfect! So, you might be kind of wondering why this silly video. Well, here's the thing. I'm experimenting. I'm attempting to tell a story using the 3-part method. So we started with the setup, the sense of urgency, the situation, the winter storm's coming. Oh God, what are we gonna do? The conflict. The garage needs to be rearranged ASAP. Oh, by the way, I have less than an hour to do this before I have to go for family dinner up the road. Regardless, 3rd act, resolution. Let's see how I make out. But then I had an unexpected guest. My dad decided to show up.
Is it a 350?
No, it's 550.
550, really?
Yep. He's been a mechanic all my life. So of course, he was very interested in the new bike that was in my garage. That is, until he realized that he was on camera.
Oh, shit. God.
Well, the whirlwind that is my dad just stopped in here and I lost a pile of time, so I gotta get back at this. But I'm losing my sunlight, so I'm gonna have to shut the garage door, turn the lights on. Yoink! Can't see the front of the car, so I have no idea what it's doing. We're good, lots of room. This thing is a pig of a beast. There's a couple of sexy old Hondas here. Oh man, 3:45. I've got 15 minutes to finish this. Hope I can do it. Car cover. Car. Why is the car cover not on the car? Come on, Mike. That's not empty! Ah, much better. Don't worry, this wire, not live. Someday this is gonna be my air compressor though. Someday. Anybody want to sponsor me for an air compressor? Okay. All right, so the space behind me is looking pretty good right now. It's time to move the car over. So the thing with these vehicle dollies is if the wheels get turned the wrong direction, it makes it extremely difficult to get moving. So I like to make sure that everything's kind of straight and copacetic ahead of time, which it all looks to be right now. And that makes the push over really easy. Now the push back away from the wall, if I need to move the car, that can be a little challenging because the wheels will all be turned to move towards the wall. So what you actually kind of have to do is take those wheels, manually turn them 180 degrees, and then push the car back away from the wall. I'm not looking to do that until the springtime, so I'm not too concerned about it. There we go. Looking good, looking good. Oh, this is a little close, but not too bad. Pretty decent still. All right, we just gotta swing the back end of the car in and job done. Then we can see if we can get some cars in here, some other cars. Ooh, no. Dang it. I wasn't careful enough. Luckily, rubber grip didn't really hit this very hard. I'm sure it's fine. Let's take a look. Oh, God. Huh, no worse than it was before. Well, unfortunately, I was wrong. I do have to move the snowblower for now. I think that's about as close as I'm gonna get here. That mirror is about 2 inches from the, you know what? It's 2 inches. Why not go for closer? What could possibly go wrong? No problem. No problem at all. Awesome. Well, I think that's about job. My hat is coming completely off, isn't it? I can feel it. Oh, man, this thing, it's so hard to keep this on, especially on this bald chrome dome head. Okay, one last thing. Just gotta put the snowblower back where it was. Or actually, you know what? I don't think the snowblower will fit there. So there's only one problem with this, and that is that if the door swings open in a hurry, wham. But nothing's gonna hit the car. I'd rather the door hit the handle of my old snowblower, well, my new snowblower. I think that's about it though. Let's take one last look around. Obviously the jack has to go back. Damn, other than that, I think we're good to go. Let's pull a car in here. Perfect. All right, let's see how we did time-wise. Oh crap, 6 minutes late. My wife's gonna be home any second and I am not ready to go to Christmas dinner. Guys, stay tuned. Let's see what this snowstorm is like tomorrow.
The next day.
So the big snowstorm that was supposed to happen today, there was some freezing rain There was a little snow, but as you can see right now, this fine ambiance I have going on is because we had 110 km/h winds today. We have lost our power, and they're not anticipating that it's going to come back on for about 12 hours. So it's just a little more magical of a Christmas this time. Tune in next time when I'll have better lighting. Don't forget, if you liked the video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't thought of doing that already, and tune in next time for more motorcycle, car, and garage kinds of adventures. Thanks a lot, guys. Later.